Whether you're brand new or a veteran, social media marketing could be a real challenge. And I want you to stay tuned because I have 5 tips that I'm going to share with you to help you get greater results in your business. Hi, I'm Reggie Pegues, the Prospering Dad, and welcome to Motivation, Mindset, and Marketing, where entrepreneurs come to thrive. And if you're brand new, I want you to go over here and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so as I upload new content, you'll be the first to know. When you're brand new in the industry or whether you're a veteran, one of the major things that we have to face and one of the biggest things that we need to know in our business is how to create content. What is it that we're going to say? How do we get our message in front of the people who are looking for our product, services, or opportunity? Today I'm going to share with you 5 simple tips that you can use as a foundation and as a blueprint to help you get greater results in your business. So tip number one is, what's your destination? We have to be clear about where it is that we're going. We have to be clear about our focus. We have to be clear about where it is that we want to be in 3 months, in 6 months, in a year. When you are clear about what your destination is with your product, service, or opportunity, what results that you would like to see over a period of time, giving them, setting your goals, it becomes very important. You can set 3-month goals, you can set 6-month goals, and you can set a year goal in terms of what it is that you want to accomplish for the end of the year. If you're unfamiliar with goal setting, you can always use Google and you can get information and just type in goal setting, or you can look up on YouTube. You can check out other videos on goal setting and get an idea and a blueprint on how to set goals if you've never done it before. But you got to have a goal. You got to know where you want to go. I always say, and I always mention with my coaching clients, is this: have you ever ridden in a car that has GPS? The one thing about setting the GPS is that you cannot set the GPS when you're in motion. You actually have to stop and be at a point of being still where you can first input the data of where it is that you want to go. Where's the location? And then after you have set the location, you're able to go forward and it can send you navigational directions to get to where you want to go. It's the same thing in your business. You got to be clear about where it is that you want to end up, where you want to go, and what you want to do. Once you're able to do that, then you can reverse engineer your idea. Now, reverse engineering might be a brand new concept to you and a new term because you're new to the industry. And your company, business, or opportunity, although it may be great, they don't teach you marketing. They teach you how to prospect. And prospecting is good. When I started off in the industry 11 years ago, that was my strong suit, prospecting. But then I got tired of chasing people. I wanted to attract people. I wanted people to come to me. So I had to be clear about what my goals are. So let me give you an example of a goal. Let's say that you want to earn $1,000 a month. Okay, that's a great goal. But you need to understand, if that's your destination, then you can reverse engineer. How do I make $1,000 a month? Who do I need to become to make $1,000 a month? How much product do I need to sell? How many phone calls do I need to make? See, and you can reverse engineer your destination. When you're clear about where you want to go, then you can come up with the plans, the solution, and the resources. Don't worry about if you don't have all the answers. It takes time to build a business, and you want to take the time to make sure that you're doing it right, because you want to be able to measure twice and cut once. So goal planning is very, very important. And as I said, you can go to Google, you can go to YouTube here and just type in goal setting, and whatever results you get, whatever resonates with you, then you want to use that and implement that into your business. Tip number 2, know your audience. Now, this is very, very, very important. And I want you to get this. Everybody that you know does not want what you have. Okay? Again, multi-level marketing companies, affiliate companies, they are not big on teaching you how to market. They're big on teaching you how to promote their products and their businesses. But you want to be able to connect with people. It's a very simple process. BES. Build, engage, sell. Once you can build your audience and you know who they are, then you can engage your audience and you can sell your audience. One of the things that I find amazing, and I did the same things when I first started out, was everybody's worried about branding. Well, you can't brand if you don't have an audience. You have to figure out who your audience is. You got to figure out who it is that is looking for your product, services, or opportunity. What is your niche? For example, if you're doing, let's say, weight loss, because that's easy. If you're doing weight loss, right, you're not going to be pitching weight loss to people who are vegetarians. It just doesn't make any sense, right? Or if you have a detox product, it makes no sense to be pitching it to someone who is not interested in losing weight or detoxing. Make sense? So you got to know your audience, or know your niche. Niche is another word for it. You need to know your niche and be clear about who it is that you're talking to. Who is your audience? Understand the people who you can help with your product first. Because after all, you're a problem solver. So you want to be able to solve problems of people who have expressed what their pain point is, and you want to learn what they want, what their wants, needs, and desires are, so you can serve them. And that's what we do. We are problem solvers, and we serve our audience. So once you know who your audience is, it makes it a whole lot easier and simpler for you to be able to get greater results in your business. Tip number 3, you got to determine what platform you're on. Right now, you're watching me on YouTube. But before I moved my business to YouTube, I worked on Facebook. Now, you can do multiple platforms, because right now, where we're at in the industry, you need to be in a couple of places. But here's the thing. You can only master one platform. For example, if you're using Facebook, you need to know the rules and regulations of how to do business on Facebook. Okay? Take the time to go in and read the policies in terms of how you can post, what you can post. For example, if you're posting before and after images, again, if you're using weight loss, if you're posting before and after images, or even if it's travel and you're posting images of trips that has prices of trips and all these different things, or in your content, you're writing, join me now, or you can have this trip for X amount of dollars, or earn $300 in 24 hours. Facebook frowns on that type of stuff. So if you're doing that, they can kick you off the platform, but they're actually doing you a favor, because if you realize and recognize you're not getting any kind of results, you're not getting any engagement, or you're getting very little engagement, and the reason why is because Facebook, that goes against Facebook's community policies, and when you do that, they just don't show your post to anybody. So if you've been curious as to why you're not getting any response on your post, that could be why, because to Facebook, that's considered spamming. So you want to determine what platform you want to work on, whether it's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Facebook now owns Instagram, and they also own Messenger, and they also own WhatsApp. So if you're on any of those platforms, the community policies are pretty much very similar. But whatever it is, whether it's here on YouTube or any of those other platforms, you want to know exactly what the rules are to be able to play and be successful and max out your opportunity there. Tip number 4, you want to promote your business as opposed to pitch your business. So what do I mean? You want to promote your business. Learn to become a promoter. I've learned from a wonderful 7-figure earner who happens to be one of my coaches that exact fact, that I was not getting the results in my business because I was just pitch, sell. And again, when you're pitching, think about this. People love to buy, but they hate to be sold. People love to buy, but they hate to be sold. What is your response when you first go into a major department store like Walgreens or Target or whatever, and the greeter comes up to you and says, hey, how can I help you today? Your first psychological subconscious response is, I'm just looking. Why is that? Because when that person comes up to you and asks you that simple question, how can I help you today? You resonate with an emotion inside of you that they're trying to sell me something. But you forget about the fact that you're already in the store, right? So think about your prospects and your customers the same way. People love to buy. They hate to be sold. So how does this relate when it comes to marketing? You want to promote your business. You want to create curiosity. For example, again, going back to weight loss. If you have, let's say, a shake, or something like that. Something that's going to help a person lose weight. You could create a curiosity post on Facebook that will not violate policies or community ethics or anything like that. Something like this. You could say, if I can show you how to lose 5 pounds in 30 days without having to go to the gym, would you want to see it? Or if it's travel, if I can show you how to book the vacation of your life without having to spend a lot of money, would you want to see it? You see? So with those examples, it creates curiosity. And how you tie it together is at the end, you'll say, if you want to know more, comment me below or inbox me, and I'll get that information over right to you, right? So that's promoting your business as to say, listen, I have this shake and it costs $19 and you should buy it because I want you to buy it. Okay? You don't want to come off as a salesman. You don't want to come off salesy. You want to come off as a polished professional who promotes their business as opposed to pitches their business, and you'll get greater results. Tip number 5. Follow social media conversations. Like right now, if you're watching this video, this is a social media conversation because you're here to get information on how to reach more people, to get better reach in your business, or get better reach on a platform, get better reach in whatever it is that you're doing. How to attract people to you as opposed to chasing people down. This is a great technique. When you go into groups, you can use social media groups, Facebook groups, or you can use Instagram or Twitter and begin to create a dialogue and a conversation. Now, I know that a lot of you are here, particularly if you're brand new. You started this business because you want to earn extra income, or you want to earn money so you can quit your job. But there's a process and there's a principle to it. And I realized this because I used to do the same thing. When I first started out, I was like all about the money, until I realized that business is about relationships, and you have to build strong relationships. After all, you don't need everybody. If you want to be a real 6-figure earner, let's say, if you can find 1,000 loyal customers that know, like, and trust you, and they spend $100 a year with you, not a month, but a year with you, you can become a 6-figure earner. It's just that simple. So you don't need everybody. You just need a few people. And through this series, I'm going to show you how you can get more followers on Instagram, get more people to respond to you on Facebook and on other social media platforms. So that's basically what we need to do to get our businesses moving in the right direction and to get greater results. If you got some value, I want you to drop it in the comments. Let me know what you thought about today's discussion. I want you to make sure, if you're brand new, that you hit the subscribe button here, over here. It's over here. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. I'm going to be dropping some links in the description. Make sure that you go there. I have links that's going to, if you're looking to create more fans for your fan page, if you're looking to get more leads and earn more money in your business, if you're looking for a business opportunity, I want you to go to the description because I have some links there that will definitely help you, and some other videos that can help you connect. Make sure that you go to my thread and you watch my playlist for new videos that's going to help you get greater results in your business. So that's all I have right now. Hope that you're having a great day. I look forward to seeing you again on my next video. Stay tuned. More tips, more strategies, more hacks to help you build your business. That's all I got. I'm Reggie Pegues. Have a great day.